That's the grocery store we at, y'all. What's up, people? How's everybody today? So my wife decided it was a great idea for us to drive over an hour to an international supermarket. Never been in an international supermarket. Have you? She's right there, by the way. She's right there on the phone. I'm trying to tell you. We only came here for like 3-4 items, y'all. 3 or 4 items. I got my mask on because we don't be around this many people that much. We gotta work or whatever, so we put our mask on. But normally I keep this off, but as long as I'm in a grocery store, I might as well keep this on. So I hope you guys can hear me clearly. But I've never been to an international supermarket. So I'm gonna get my wife, because she's on the phone. And we're just gonna go around a little bit and look at some stuff.
Hey. We're buying a couple things. I got some bok choy.
And I told them we only came here for 4 items.
Some mangoes.
It took us over an hour to get here. She only come for like 4 items.
I got some snap peas. It's a Korean market, so
we're like
we're getting a bunch of stuff over here.
Oh, now she tells me we're getting a bunch of stuff. Well, before it was only 3 or 4 items.
I came to make a dish called tteokbokki. It's a Korean dish that we saw on the TV show.
Say it again.
Tteokbokki.
There you go.
One of my friends who is Korean said she would make it for me, but we really want to try to make it
ourselves.
Yeah. So we came to hopefully get all the ingredients. She said I can get everything I need here. So.
Boy, I hope so. It took us over an hour to get here.
Yeah.
And we're probably about a half hour from Philly. And I've never been in a... I should have flipped the camera around. I can't do it now. But those look pretty I'm filming in the store and everybody looking at me and don't want to be inside the camera. Ooh!
I'm getting some of these.
Mushrooms. I love the mushrooms.
What is that language you're speaking?
Mushrooms. I don't know. These right here, they're really wet.
They're really wet?
They're wet. I remember last time I had this type of mushrooms, they were wet.
I'm gonna get these now.
I didn't like that. I like them. They don't sell the mushrooms I really like. Like grocery stores don't sell exotic mushrooms.
They're not in season.
And didn't we have this king oyster before?
Yes, and we like them.
So I like the king oyster. The
Bok
king
choy tips. I never saw these.
The king, what is it called? King oyster mushroom. I hope my voice is coming through this thing pretty clearly.
Yeah, we have to wear masks in here.
Gotta wear a mask in here. It seems like there's more people on this side of the grocery store than down that way. So once we get that way, I'll be a little bit more able to move freely around here. Doesn't look too bad other than they have a wide variety of Korean food, Spanish food.
Excuse me.
I don't know what else is in here. See that sign?
What sign? Oh, I'm going over there. I need to get kimchi.
Never been here before. So I'm trying to film as well as look at everything.
And they have vegan kimchi, which is another reason I came here, because a lot of places don't have vegan kimchi. Oh, we could get little ones.
My hands are not steady.
This has sardine, anchovies, so that's not vegan. So I guess I have to get a whole one.
White noodle.
Did you show them this? Vegan kimchi.
Don't you think you should get a big one so you don't have to worry about?
No, I won't use it that often.
Well, that's great. A lot of Korean in here. So what's all in here? A lot of Korean food?
Well, it's an international market.
Yeah.
Oh, look, so you can buy tteokbokki already done.
Ah. I'd rather make it ourselves, though.
I am going to make it ourselves.
Excuse me. My bad, y'all.
It's right here. This is it. This is what I came for.
Yeah, over an hour and 10, 15 minutes to get here for just that one package. Sheesh. I hope this turned out to be pretty good.
I am gonna get one of these pre-pair.
Oh, let's not do that.
I want to. Let's see. Just
one?
make sure it's vegan.
Which one are you gonna get?
Just check the ingredients real quick. Fish.
We can't get through the store quick enough. My wife, when she go to a grocery store she's unfamiliar with, we'll be in here for a little while.
Well, I have to look at the things. I'll get this one.
So far everything looks normal to me. Other than, yeah, it looks normal other than, you know, how you say it again?
What, tteokbokki?
Yeah, that. I'm not trying to say that. And whatever this is, what is this? What is that? It's a big ass piece of sushi. That's what they're trying to tell me on the package. Okay. All right. Look at this thing. Yeah. So, I guess I spoke too soon on the normal stuff. It's different. We definitely like to come places that we are not used to seeing, definitely. So that's pretty cool. I don't know what this is. This keeps catching my eye, y'all. Look at that. What's happening here? What's that? Oh, it's called Noodle Tree.
Oh yeah, I was gonna get one of these just to have it.
Noodle Tree.
So we can try.
They got different flavors. I see buckwheat. What's this one? Asian style. And they're not telling me what this other one is.
Fresh Korean style noodles.
Oh, soybean.
Which one you want to get? You want to try the buckwheat?
I don't know what this one is. It just says
just udon noodles.
Yeah, udon. I don't know. Just go for it. I'm stuck on just getting the 4 ingredients, but she wants to shop. That's right. I'm gonna keep saying until we get out of here. Well, she got to make the best of it, right? Because this is pretty far from the house.
And there's a lot of different things to try that we've never had.
It's pretty far. What is this? What's that? What you see that? What is this? I don't know. I'll try something. I don't know what is this? Salted tiny shrimp. Oh yeah? Huh. What is this?
I don't know.
Fern.
Look at that weirdness.
I'll try it.
No, not doing that.
Okay.
Not gonna do it. I think that's all we did this aisle.
Yeah, and we got about 15 more hours to go.
Yeah.
And she definitely gonna look down every single one of them. I think I'm gonna. Well, I don't want to make this a 30-minute video
walking through the grocery store.
Walking through the grocery store.
But if you want to take them through every aisle like a fast-paced one, without me, you're free to do so. Yeah.
Hey, I like shrimp, but you know, hey, I'm not a vegan all the way yet. I can eat that. I'll try it. Who think this looks like Pepto-Bismol? That's what this look like. You ever had Pepto-Bismol in your life? That's what this look like. This is strawberry, natural artificial flavor. Yeah. Okay. I don't want this on no more.
What's your jacket?
I'm gonna take the mask off. Oh, that's right. I don't have no facial hair. First time y'all probably ever seen me without any facial hair. A lot of interesting stuff in here. I'm looking at something that's called fresh sweet potato. Look at this. Look at that. Interesting. I like coming to places like this, you know? I don't get to see this stuff on an everyday basis, especially when we live so far away. What?
The fuck, dude?
What? I want everybody to repeat that in the comments. Say what that says. Look, it's backwards on here though. Fuck cool. Fuck cool. Look. That's a new word to say F you. That's hilarious. I like it. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. All right, so we're coming up on, I don't know where the wife went. She just skedaddled. Check that out. Oh, she's just flying. Excuse me, sir. She's getting through here pretty fast. Well, we just got snacks. All right, let me put this on. I'm passing people now. Let me put this on when I'm passing folk. I don't want people looking at me all strange like how that guy just was looking at me all strange. My nephew loved those Pockies. A lot of interesting looking chips. I'll just show y'all something real quick. Look at that. Oh, Carto. I guess I'm butchering these names. Crab chips. GGE. She's pretty much flying through this. Just getting through this pretty quickly. I think most of the things she was looking for was on the side where it's refrigerated.
Oh, you're still talking to the people?
So, yeah, it's nothing really interesting else to see right here. You got seafood over there. Got all these aisles. Still walking down the aisle. Got all these aisles. Still walking down aisles. Then you have these places to eat behind me over here. I don't want to be so close up on people because you have people over there eating right now. It's only like 3. They're right here. That's it. Want something to eat real quick while you grocery shopping? Go right over there. Then they got these couple of places behind me. That's income tax right there. That's acupuncture right there. Got a ginseng market over there. And cosmetic right there. And then you gotta have your beer. K-Pub Garden. And that's it. I just wanted to take y'all through that really quickly. Excuse me. And I'm gonna sign off now. That's just a quick version of the International Grocery Store. I gotta find a wife. Matter of fact, I'm gonna let her say bye as well. Once I find her. There you go. Oh. There she is. We're gonna say bye. All right, saying bye to everyone. Oh, I want you guys to see this. Look at this.
Mayonnaise.
Look at that.
Cute pie.
signing off.
Bye, you guys. We'll be back with a cooking video.